So today we have to see analog digital trainer. This is the analog digital trainer. So on this trainer you can perform the analog as well as digital circuits or linear circuits. So this is the breadboard we have provided. You can build any circuits on this breadboard, and whatever the input you required or output you required, we were provided on this board. So this is the totally digital parts. Totally 8 inputs are provided. These are the 4 inputs, and these are the another 4 inputs. These are the 4 outputs for LED, and another 4 LEDs are provided over here. These two 7 segment LEDs are provided for the output sections, and this is the automatic clock sections are provided over here. So this is the fixed DC power supply. Here we get the fixed 5 volt power supply, fixed 12 volt power supply, and this is the minus 12 volt power supply. This is the ground common to all these power supplies. This is the variable 0 to 12 volt power supply, and this is the 0 to minus 12 volt power supply. These both the power supply are variable DC power supplies, and this is the AC power supply, and all these ports are provided over here for different values. These are the 470 ohms, 1K, 10K, and 22K and 47K ports. You can take the input from here and you can use in your circuits. This is the function generator circuits. Here you get the sine, triangular, and square wave. So for the selection, if you want the sine wave, here selection switch is provided over here. You can select the sine or you can select the triangular. So here for the frequency, this is the course and this is the phi, and for the amplitude this pot is provided. So you can get the different signals, and these are the frequency ranges provided over here. This is the 1 Hz to 100 Hz, this is the 100 Hz to 10 kilohertz, and this another one is the 10 kilohertz to 1 megahertz ports is there. And this is the voltmeter and current meter is provided. This can measure the up to the 20 volt and 2 ampere input voltage or output voltage. So you can connect the input voltage over here. So if you want to measure the voltage, you can connect over here. So here you get 11.9 volt, and if you want to measure the current, just switch this in. Now voltage as well as current is displayed. Okay, so if you want the only voltage, you can switch over here. So all these are the analog as well as digital functions.